What do you need?
Me? Nothing.
Why are you calling me?
I'm not calling you. I'm just barking. Woof!
Woof is my name. I am a kitten called Woof.
Really? Are you Kitten Woof?
That's right.
It's very, very bad. No kitten should have such a name.
Then what name should a kitten have?
In my opinion, the best name for kittens are Fluffy and Murzik.
I'd rather be called Woof.
I wouldn't advise a kitten named Woof. Go down to the yard. Troubles are waiting for such a kitten, believe me.
What kind of troubles?
You will see soon.
Are they waiting for me now, these troubles? Oh my God.
Hey, baby, come to me.
Hello.
What's your name?
Woof.
Sorry?
Woof.
Woof?
Woof woof.
Woof, woof. Are you teasing?
Well, my friend, did you make sure that there is nothing but trouble?
No, I didn't make sure. I was looking for them and had almost found, but the dog has chased me.
It is called a muzzle. It is very nice, isn't it?
Hello. It's me, Woof. My friend really wants to put on your muzzle. Can he?
What? What is he saying?
He is saying if you are careful, you can. We can.
We can.
What are you doing? Stop, youngsters, stop!
Well, does it turn out?
Nearly. It seems the muzzle is very big for you.
Would you like to call me in?
Why not?
When I grow up, I will also give a muzzle.
Why do you need it?
For me not to bite.
But you are not going to bite.
Of course not.
So you don't need it.
When I am little, I am not going. Maybe when I will a big dog, I won't. Hi,
Glad to see you.
do you want anything to eat, Wolf?
No, thanks. I'm fed up.
Are you sure?
Not a scrap.
Oh, can you look for my chop, okay? I'm going to play in the yard. Then come back home and eat my chop.
Ah, a chop. Chop, 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 chop. A chop.
Where is my chop, Wolf? In what place have you left it?
I have hidden it.
A good guy, Wolfie. But if somebody finds it, then...
It will never be found. I have hidden it very well.
Where have you hidden it?
It's here, in the belly.